Open the accessory box. Take out bobbin. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Wind thread clockwise around bobbin winder tension discs. Thread bobbin and place on spindle. Push bobbin spindle to right. Turn on the sewing machine. Hold on to end of thread. Step on foot control pedal. Cut off excess thread. Push bobbin's spindle to left and remove. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread through the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread and attach the bobbin cover plate. Turn off the sewing machine. Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide. Lead thread down right channel and up left channel. Pass the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Pull the thread through the needle eye. Turn the hand wheel towards you to lower the needle. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machine for a straight stitch. Press the Start/Stop button. The machine will start sewing. Press the reverse sewing button. Sew a few reverse stitches. Release the reverse stitch button to stop the machine from sewing. Press the Start button to resume sewing. Turn to the left to remove the fabric. Cut the thread. The speed limiting adjustment lever can control the sewing speed. Select the 0-3 zigzag stitch. This value is the default setting for this stitch pattern. Adjust the stitch width. A A smaller value narrows the swing amplitude of the stitches. A larger value widens the swing amplitude of the stitches. Adjust the stitch length. A higher value decreases the density of the stitches. Open the buttonhole plate and insert the button. Install the buttonhole foot. The thread should be passed through the hole in the presser foot, then be placed under the foot. Lower the buttonhole lever. Select the buttonhole stitch. It will automatically sew in the order. After sewing, lift the lever back up. Use a buttonhole knife to cut open the buttonhole. Release the needle set screw and take out the needle. The flat side of the needle is facing towards the back of the machine. Insert the needle to its highest point. Tighten the needle set screw. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate set screws. Remove the needle plate. Clean the dust and lint clogging the machine. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts.